Jonah the Mount. This my baby, stop by no be story. Take my heart and run away. Make me not be lonely, don't be lonely. Don't be lonely, don't be lonely. Like the don't be lonely, make me lonely. For la shade, where you did, for la shade, I did ask where you did. I hope say you still the feel me. Hope you still the send my way. Oh yeah, then finally I see her. Shade don't turn to crystal. So if I leave
oh yeah. It's like that.
If I leave you
like that.
For real now.
Yeah, dog.
Bro's the vex.
Who be your bro?
Thank you.
You call do advance for APC for
Martin, one of the things that you suppose ask can I be say, waiting happen, Shade. If girl name not did the song, it no go sell.
I go say na part of selling points, you know. But at the same time, so many storylines they based on them. You don't understand.
One thing they now when talk, you know, pick a selling point. That's to tell you say anything for the world. If woman know they there, you know go sell. That's now why this show they sell because I dey your side. I know you love me.
I love you too.
Today
go be Good Friday.
Yes.
That's it.
Throw that White Friday, they don't do Black Friday. Black Friday, we say our Nigerian Black Friday, our own system is different. Or you both do Black Friday, slash the price. Nigeria do Black Friday.
You no follow.
They come about 3 naira, 5 kobo, 1 kobo.
I thought now.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right, that's the late night show with Obi Martins and Skimpy. Through that Friday, and today will be Friday one groove. Me and Skimpy don't plan say one groove.
Enough.
Bring Jamie Austin.
Yes, sir.
Come corner the same way and find Shade. I don't know where you keep Shade. If you know where you keep Shade, maybe you go do it in. Shade, come. So, today, you go just keep sing that song. So, because I'm grooving things with day, we don't get time to waste time.
At all.
I don't know we get one day. He go tell us what to make her go inside the thing, go do.
Yes.
Moku sit down. Jamie, sit down, you're welcome.
Yeah, thank
make
you.
her offer you something. Skip
Yes,
it. Come on, make a part, make a offer. I teach you this thing, I teach you, you don't really learn. Sit down. Sit down.
At least admire me first.
Sit down. Okay, Skippy. Ma go find Shade for her. Ma find Shade for you. Make her find Shade for you.
Okay, I got it.
Jamie, you're welcome, man.
Yes,
You're alright. Make her offer you something because Skippy, they keep her company, they go.
Yes, so we dey see on top of the show, and I know say every time that one me say 24/7, we dey gbab some casual people join body for here to make sure say on our evening make sense. And now we don't talk and we get Jamie waiting.
Austin.
Jamie Austin dey here, Obi Martins dey here. We get another person where we never bring enter the house. But all of this go share like this evening. Jamie Austin.
Yeah.
Alpha.
I'm good. I chill, man.
Okay, Jamie Austin. We
Who
get
they ask you how far? You say you are good, man. You are good. You are chilling, man. You are good. You are chilling.
About V, I the chill.
Obi no leave and make you feel at home. Making you all right. Jamie Austin, no worry. If you won't give you a dick, yeah.
So nothing happens. She do.
Obi.
I don't trust you. I don't put something for that drink.
No,
Na joke.
No,
I don't know what's in shop before I come here.
No, I see all.
Maybe no go shop with you. Instead, go ride with the drink.
No,
Jamie Austin, I be they talk something before the mosquito perch in.
Skippy, maybe you say we no quarrel today.
Oh, sorry, I don't forget.
I might call you cockroach. So I will settle the matter. You cockroach.
Okay. Now I they talk about the names. We wanna take the sing. Say people they use for Shade. We don't see Caro. We don't see so many things.
Caro.
Why on a they pick name? What thing they make on a select the name? How you go take no say okay if I put for Shade inside this song now for Shade go gel.
Actually, I believe most of the times they get some storylines or they get some experience where most of these artists don't get sometimes.
No, na you. Skippy, na you. You know, say most of that you. You know, Skippy, we know this level, Skippy.
Okay, maybe see Coco of the day.
Skippy, don't rush. You don't sing for you now. You don't
yes,
do
sir. You sweet for Shade in the building.
Man, look time for you. Make you do the go. Make you do the go. All right, Jamie, still not the matter. We get so many things for the house. Now we do it today to make the people do it and make them happy.
Yes.
So you know where would the rush go?
Necessary.
Then I call know if you carry Skippy go on a higher purchase.
And you know what's happen. No, seriously, you know what's happen. We Martin, you know say I don't talk and which day we bring Cartoon Radio. I come here say if I see fine boys, You say wetin? You just do like this. If I see fine boys, in case you don't know what they refer to, make I just use my hand. If
foul pikin, foul pikin when you say eagle no carry when it's small. We don't stand fit, we don't grow to fight eagle.
Obi,
you know they call that Oromo at the year.
Obi, you let me talk.
What do you want to talk?
Make I land. Let me die before you bury me.
Don't even die. I go bury you like that. I go put you for cat or throw away you because.
Obi, I'll show you the thing, no.
Yeah.
I'll show you the thing.
You show me the thing. Show me. I'm gonna forget your own on the side.
Okay, but seriously, most leave that thing as you they talk before me we enter cocoa of the day. Because today plenty things don't share there. Plenty things don't share there. And we know say some of now because of some on a day for office during the day or market or other places on a no distance. And if we didn't say Obodo Naija, we know that on a no it go be like say we na one chance. Second chance thing. So, Obi Martins, they talk about one we shared recently.
They say, Jamie, you said you follow for this matter.
Yes, sir. I hear you.
I've been saying walk about the glass before. Sunday for you.
Yes, sir. How many feel I
no, because this pattern I will talk and I go follow discuss the matter. The matter I will get for you, they say, headmaster. They say they catch headmaster when they give math teacher head. They say they catch headmaster when they give math teacher head. You know, say now, it depends on the kind of head. Maybe give a head boot. Or, you know, hey, if you look at your screen now, you go say, hey.
You dey imagine?
Skimpy.
but seriously.
They say they give her and nobody say you end there. Say the student then they from one classroom, so they call the head noise from one class we're supposed to be empty. Depend on what kind of head where they give person where they get a noise. You understand? Then the students, because they be very bad sharp students, they come begin with the video.
They don't say this noise no be when person die. No. Say this noise now.
Maybe they call God for the noise because God say in every situation call my name.
Jesus, sweet God.
They can't begin video.
Father Lord.
Say and the video. They can't go show him.
Okay.
To everybody. Then the headmaster commits suicide. Now he kill himself.
Born you or mama. Next thing when nurse enter what here they do now be say she dey try eat the pikin.
Yeah.
Yes. The nurse just burst into the ward and wetin the woman do? She hold the pikin hand for mouth and with her jaw clench am. They try bite the hand comot. We don't know wetin cause this one. Yes, now you dey see on top your TV. So they say cannibal mom tries to eat her own baby shortly after giving birth. You can imagine.
Abi she no chop when she wan go born pikin.
No be even matter of she no show up. As in, I don't know number one wetin attract her. She get okay now. This thing come go into my mind. At least she born the pikin down first. Although I know they talk say good that she won't eat them, but maybe we just take am inside the experience of other people. Wey be say after them born the pikin, if you know the stress to go through when you dey born, I know say you never pass through am, but everybody knows.
If you know say sorry, skin beside the court. If you know say him go chop the pikin, Abi Jamin.
Yeah.
When him born am, why he no kuku?
No talk that part. No talk that part because.
Which part? No,
just talk.
Which part? Why you no chop bread and beans? Why you go born pikin? Which part? Which I'm saying what in my mind?
I dey read mind.
Don't tell me that skipping.
I know wetin you want me talk.
Wetin you want to talk?
It good say you no talk.
Why she no kuku eat bread and beans before she go born the pikin? Wetin I want to pass that one?
But seriously, at least she born am. They fit rescue the pikin. Just imagine those people be say them go born finish after going through that vigor. Next thing they go do now to go put the pikin inside shalanga. Sure you get.
Sometimes you talk, I know where they come from. Shalanga, shalanga luma, guzi, shalanga luma, yeah. Take it.
I believe say.
Take it.
No.
I just manage.
But seriously, Jan, how you take see this matter?
But this one you just talk now. I would talk say maybe they try escape or dodge responsibilities. You understand? But this particular one now, no day justifiable at all.
No, say which road?
It's just acceptable.
Because
you understand?
I imagine say Obi Martin, assuming that nurse no working at that particular point in time, she go eat the pikin finish.
No,
like things they happen.
The
Now to
vocational-
speak, you know what they use. They got what we picking.
And I meet and steal uncle and how.
God I beg you.
Yeah, no, things that
God I
happen.
beg.
Things
God
that
I
happen
beg.
around the
Yes.
world.
And
Lots
says you
of
must see
things.
you now, Jamin. If you look your neck like cake. So see cake, oh, see cake, oh. If you don't dive your neck,
You can see Chuck Norris. Same time we turn Chuck Norris. How?
all right, skip you. More good the next one.
Yes.
Make it look like say.
We dey on top this one. Okay,
That's
the
it.
next one na
Tell us.
APC governorship aspirant. That one na person wey wan contest for APC governor. We don't know am.
Now who?
Is a somebody inside Lagos. Other people, plenty people contest, but this person, I want make you guess.
Okay, for different states. Okay. Okay.
Now, plenty faces there for there.
Where
Plenty
our
faces.
guy? Our guy will climb horse. Where our
Now,
guy
you
will
dey talk about nice,
Let
abi?
me ask viewers. Where our guy will climb horse? Hey, our people. So the one time you say nice, no win primaries now. Hi.
And inside Lagos, for people wey no know the
No be
person
Lagos.
wey
All,
win.
every other state will skip
Yes,
it.
I wan talk Lagos. I dey Lagos now. Make I talk about Lagos.
Turkey.
For people wey no know. Akinwumi Ambode, because I know say you no know, make I just educate you. Before I call this name, you know.
Yeah.
Hey. Chop the cool, chop the cool. Chop the cool.
No, na me find trouble wey I first call the name. Oh, you start one or two for
Now,
contest
person
now.
when they stay one place. I mean, don't forget say if you want to follow us for our social media.
Yes.
If you follow us for Twitter at W Late Night Show to follow this conversation. If you want to tweet at Jame Austin, if you follow us for Twitter at W Late Night Show, for Instagram, Wazobia TV NG, and for Facebook.
Wazobia TV NG.
We get so many things. If you want to contribute for this thing, and if you know where nice is there, why nice no win primaries, if you tell us.
Yes,
And for the
yes.
headmaster matter, if you tell us, if the man using head well, I been no using head well, if you tell us, and skip you, we don't get the new appointment, maybe headmistress, we don't give her advice for our social media.
I like my new post.
How skip if you to give people head, because headmaster, na go use head, headmistress, go do wetin, go use head.
Why you say me they tell me how I go take job? I tell you say I no know how. I just say I know, but
No
not
vex.
for you.
No vex, no vex. Now make our people with the house. If they get any idea to add, join the idea where you get. Make idea no dey too much. You understand? All right, APC governorship aspirant for every place for Nigeria. They don't do anything.
They don't show
reveal
face.
them.
We don't know them.
So, una congratulations. If una win, congratulations. If una no win, congratulations.
Yes.
Una
But
try.
wetin we go talk now be say may the best man win.
May win.
Na the matter
The
be
person wey know
that.
wetin he wan go do, make he go there. Make una no fight o.
At
And
all.
Make una no quarrel. Make una
At
no-
all.
no-
At
everything
all.
like that.
At all.
Thank you.
At
For
all.
people wey dey call me, wey dey say my come contest, I say no be now. No be now, man, no be now. Guess what things to do. All right, then skip. How many we still get?
Okay, we still get the other one.
But before
of-
we go the other one, more rush go market.
Okay.
And if we come back for this market, our guests, our second guest, we don't do it in.
You go down there on board. Okay, so we go fit ask himself.
Ask
yes,
her, and
yes,
then we come
yes.
go our people's parliament.
Yes. And make una not forget say before we come up for here yesterday, and yarn una say I get one surprise package for B Martins. Yes, I dey forgive everybody and I dey forget, but for B Martins, no.
No, forget say na me be that fowl pikin wey
Before
Igbo no
I
carry,
come
wey
up
nothing
for
fit happen
yesterday,
to
I
am.
go give am the
Forget,
gift.
nothing you
Live
fit
and
do.
direct.
Nothing you
Okay,
fit
maybe
do.
buy this shikini break. When we come back, we go continue for where
Which one
we
you
end.
want to-
No come out, we dey
You
come.
go dey threaten me. Nothing you fit do. Fowl pikin wey
Na
Igbo
here
no carry
we dey,
go.
we go see am.
Forget.
If you see this, my baby, I stop and know the story. Take my heart, and run away. Make me don't be lonely, don't be lonely. Don't be lonely. I stop and know the story. Take my heart, and run away. Make me don't be lonely, don't be lonely. Don't be lonely, don't be lonely.
They don't dey call Sade na they give me sexy eyes. I dey look like an eye. Easy, so they eye me now.
Why go the eye?
Why they look me?
You resemble Shadi.
No, they try. Why they look me like an eye? Easy.
For that Shadi, they have to look us now.
Shebi say they find am. All right, my people, now welcome back. Make no blind say we know the way. Do one kind. Yeah, one kind I will look me I don't like. I don't say me I never ready to go do 14 years.
Clear and straight.
One time, I clear them. I beg. So now welcome back. I'm still on the late night show with Obi Martins and Skimpy.
Yes, and make I tell you in case on no say. People like Obi Martins for school, now they be noise maker. Obi, why you they like shout on top of the set? For once, talk like a gentleman. Must you attack everybody? You go attack Easy Beat. You go attack our guests. Learn from me. Be gentle. Be mild. As in mild. You want to talk anything?
You don't finish?
No, I still
okay,
Skimpy
say make I get mild.
Mild, yeah.
Una, welcome back to the late night show.
Anybody wey see you go know say e no fit you because agidi e don master you. Anyway, shey we leave that your level.
So as I dey work for them now, they pull I dey learn the thing from there. Today now, the story dey different today.
The person wey employ you go dey regret say he employ you because the employee come do that thing.
No, but wetin Obi Martin that mean say he no do freedom because he no learn.
Which I don't learn.
No, now wetin you dey talk now. You say you no go pay.
I get mentor for them now. No, besides, just like I get person where they mentor me for there.
Okay,
Yeah,
so you
now
do
personal,
freedom. No, you never even shout because I don't talk am before. Say barrel wey water empty inside now they make noise. Because for now we no Victor don't do plenty people
yes.
and some of them naive. And they talk about the obodo oyinbo Eve, no be the one wey dey inside Bible,
no
be Adam and Eve.
Correct. No.
I beg, we go see Victor picture.
Yes.
Because for the picture we dey scroll for our screen now. You don't do Eve,
No be only Eve. Other people you don't do Tiwa Savage.
Yeah, Vicky.
He's a big boy, yo.
See
I got now.
If you look at the screen now, you go see people wey Victor don't do their hair.
This one even they wear corporate, they make hair. You know see in suit.
I say they be now.
Victor, this girl, why you touch her in face? You know smile.
No, this one a festival.
Is it
This is
touching
not
the
YJ
press?
now. This is YJ.
YJ, you do YJ?
Yeah, that's why. That's it.
Now your outfit, they look at me now, which one
A corporate styling now.
all right, Victor. We tell us some small people they bring comes our late night show.
At all.
Man, where they do woman hair.
Men, we bring in men.
Men.
Yes.
And one with the rap, they still find Shade, Fola Shade. We play more Siam before this show end.
You don't say I'm already. She's there around you all the while. You don't know.
You don't know Sade yet. Fola Shade to me, one lo sort me.
Fola Shade too bad.
Oh, Shejo. Àwọn dà. Ìyá wọn. Kọ́gbórí wọlé. A máa tẹ̀lé wọn kúbà.
You say Ori. When I never see, you know this head matter. See now this head matter now. She say Ori. My body wọlé. God, I beg go. He don't come up for your head now. Come speak up for Yoruba language. Say make Agbori wọlé. Ori o wọlé. Ori o wambe. Ori o wọlé o wambe.
See, it's okay.
Victor, well, Victor do hair. Any hair we bring come. Anybody hair they do have it.
I don't talk about Matika. I beg only heavy the head.
I tell you, really the head.
Victor, before you come, so many things, we don't talk about so many things.
Yeah.
And we did appreciate you come because you know be small person for the game.
Yeah,
and I know say as people really watch you now, they watch us now, they're gonna say yes, no be only man feed one, no be only woman feed one, man say feed one. The most important thing is anything we do, make it profitable.
Yes.
At least you know the stay. So anywhere now Victor fit go, tell them see what thing I do and they do am well. That means no one that skip it they find every day say, yeah. And the secret with that Jamie. Oh.
Ah God, thank you.
All right, we go still come. I won't go our funny video of the day.
I don't say that word for your man. No one that skimpy they find every day. Hey, first time I get compliments.
Make we go video of the day and first keep it. Go video of the day. Director. Because people didn't believe now they give.
I'm a fine girl.
Video of the day.
I'm a fine girl. Hey.
Those for you too. You alright, man? Oh my goodness, yeah. Have some tea, man. I'm so sorry, man. Alright? You take it easy now, alright?
Bill Binder. Are you sick? Yes, Daddy. What is wrong with you?
Fever.
Fever or malaria? Hepatitis?
I don't know.
Obinna, do you have HIV?
I did
Ha, wait. I'm coming. Obinna, sit up. Sit up. Oh, come and drink something hot. Pepper soup. Gwang. Why are you doing this? You have to take it. Drink it like this. Like that. Again. Drink it. Eat it. Drink the water. Who sauce and okay, gata. You can't just be eating the meat. How do you feel? Wait, let me bring another thing. Be drinking it. But take this. Abracha. Drink it hot. You need your system to be hot. Drink it. I'm not one more thing. You have to revive. It's one more thing that if I do it, hey, Gaskia, your fever, your malaria, even HIV, all I go. Well, lie down. Rob, lie down. Come take here, lie down. First of all, you have to inhale it, smell it. Remove your hand, babe. Remove your hand. Rob. Oh, yeah. Your sickness must go. Your side. Even your back, sir. Has it gone? Wait. How is it now? Are you okay? Have your sickness gone? It's gone. Are you sick again? No. Put your face inside. Put your face inside the water. Put your face inside. Put your face inside the water now. You have to, like,
Daddy, please.
Why are you begging me? You have to get wet.
Daddy, please.
Put it. Good boy.
Okay, and now welcome back from that shikili break where we buy. Don't forget say we talk. Say anytime we do on top on our TV. Now our work English, body no be firewood. And trust our Jacob where we get. In don't go inside places. Go put mic for people mouth. This now waiting people got to talk. Watch them, enjoy them. Body no be firewood. Then talk them for good English.
Yes, so better people. I don't enter street again. And today na Friday. Man, thank God it's Friday. I know say body must rest. So therefore, body no be firewood. I want make people help me translate that to simple English. Body no be firewood. Make you no forget say people see the chocolate recharge card at W Late Night Show for Twitter. Follow us, answer the question. But now I dey for street. Make I choke Michael Okon for people mouth and ask them the question. Body no be firewood. Make they help me translate that to simple English. You there with me? Yeah, I'm go now.
As in body not be firewood, as you transfer that in me. Is this your word that you are speaking about? You don't say that your body not be firewood. Which way that you expect me to talk again?
The human body is not as tough as you think it is.
Your body is not wood.
What is that? What is that? We can't compare ourselves like machine or like motor or something like that.
I don't know. I don't know.
The body is not a log of wood.
Body not be firewood. Well, that is body is not firewood.
Body, no. Body. Firewood is English, no. It's normal English. Body is normal English too. No be is not. Body is not firewood.
Body no be firewood. It's just our body is not. I don't know.
But I don't know how to say that. Like seriously, I don't know. I don't know what I would talk. I swear.
Body no be firewood. Help us translate that to simple English.
I know English.
Obviously set up.
Jacob, the cash sheep. I not hear English. Body. And some girls they form like skimpy. Body is English now.
No,
Firewood is not my English.
It's not.
It's not. It's not change out.
Let's say the girl they try to talk, say body is not firewood with that.
I dey start.
Yes, so.
Oh my, don't say why this kind of last.
People, we don't get Victor and Johnny Austin. Make them play this Ludo.
This one or two.
Okay, play.
Ah, yeah.
It must be 6 from to come outside.
That's so now.
Easy, they give us small beat from background.
6. This is 6. So you don't enter at once. So where my
play again now. Twice ago.
Twice now.
6 waiting.
6.
I want to see the fear setup, Abi.
6-4.
You the fear setup. Abi.
Oh yeah.
Fear setup.
Do what you
I
want
must
to
still
do.
set you up.
Oh yeah, do it.
This is now.
I must set you
Skip
up.
is say my people as they play the game. Victor, Skip is say what I tell you clarity what
I won't set you up.
Nothing if you do me. Nothing if you do me.
I never get my sis, so make I get sis first.
Obi
Never
Martin,
see get.
nothing I fit do you.
Na gamble you want play. Na gamble you dey play. What get sis?
Obi now, nothing I fit do you. If you know say you know they fear me, just consider down
Wetin
here.
dey wait? Why I go fear you? For wetin? Fear you Skippy.
Call her pet's name now.
Foul pikin wey monkey no carry wey you go. Let me talk with her.
Victor.
Yeah.
I beg help me change in look. Ain't too ugly for my liking.
Hey.
Change in look.
Nothing dey happen. Victor. Come touch my face.
Every change in look.
You last plate.
Just go
You
turn.
get okay.
Just go turn from there. Change in look.
No, just come back this side. Nothing dey happen. I go find on this one side. I go find.
No, you ain't gonna go your back.
No, say this kind of thing really make me happy pass. I like my job.
I beg me change am. I need to do something.
I love my job.
Nothing dey happen.
I would like to see your new look. Big time.
Hey, foul pikin.
Victor Live likes to make people look. Oh, sorry, I just talk English. Okay, Victor Live likes to make people look fine.
So.
This will be a very way get. You go make this thing come out. Sorry.
Go tally where. You reason now.
If you touch them, if you fix am out, I go. You not gonna fix am out. You not gonna fix am out, Victor.
Oh yeah. Okay, to achieve this, I want to do now just simple pin. Now I just need. See how?
Shoot my.
I just pin. I need just pin. Transformation. And slow motion like this. Come on now.
See how the face don't change. The face
Yes.
change. It changed straight up.
Then I use my pin, hold it back.
No go shake me pin.
So now if you shake your, this no go fall come out. That's it now. I bet if I shook your scalp, let me know.
Say a bit like Christmas.
Correct now. See transformation. Correct.
Yeah.
Swagger. Yeah.
Who song you want give me now?
Touch of life. Now touch of life this.
Who song? Give me someone who ginger me on Friday with this.
Old school. I don't take it
Okay,
back
the
to
point
my
I be say as
You never come out time again. You did do alright.
That's so now. That's so.
Is it okay, Abi?
That's so. Swagger.
Is it
be a permanent
okay? Okay, now the point I be say as Victor, they try and make Obi Martin look beautiful. Don't forget say the late night show they happen every day from Monday going to Friday. And don't forget say you follow us on top Twitter because on top how you follow us, we go make sure say we follow you back because we know they stingy with follow things. And on top Twitter now at W Late Night Show. On top Facebook and Instagram we did there Wazobia TV NG. Now there you go jam us. DJ Easy Bait. I bet scratch us.
I will go thank Jamie for coming.
Yes, sir.
Jamie. I think I will.
Me don't the tongue come back. I don't do my job finish.
See as your body dey perform pikin. E be like say you sabi this.
Fine girl.
You go down for the next video. You go down for the next video.
E be like say you sabi this.
Fine girl.
Sexy girl. Fine girl. You say go girl.
I tell you, straight up. I don't go through with that.
You say go girl.
Skip it already.
Sexy girl. Fine girl. I like it to meet ya. I know say you feeling the vibe, but you give me the boogas. Okay, bulldozer. I just wanna know ya. Your man say the booga.
Enjoy yourself right now.
I wanna see your body. I wanna see your face.
pull over. Reverse.